Hello everyone, tie the hairs on the back. Now rotate the hairs like this. After rotating it, take the hairs from the other sides and then join it on the back and then rotate it. Now take another section of the hairs and repeat the same process on the other side. Now divide the hairs and then make the plaits on it like this. After making the plaits, follow the same step for the other side. Now fold it upward like this on the alternative sides. Fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs on the back and tie it. Now make the plaits on it like this. Join the hairs till the end. Now take another section of the hairs in the front. Make the plaits on it and take the hairs from the right side in small sections and join it inside the plaited hairs like this to fix it on the left side. Now after that, we will fix all the hairs in the same manner till the end like this. Now join the hairs and fix it. Take the hairs from the side, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now repeat the process and then fix them into each other. Now divide the hairs and make the plaits on it. Now fold it upward and fix it. Now make the plaits on the sides, join it on the back and tie it and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail like this. Now fix the hairs in the half. Spread it like this. Pull the hairs on the alternative sides like this by taking small sections as shown in the video. Fix it till the end as we are doing. After that, we will take the rest of the hairs and fix it. Put it like this and spread the hairs on the sides like this by taking the hairs on the top. Tie it like this and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, join it on the back like this and tie it in a shape of a knot. Now fix them using a rubber band. Repeat the process for a few more times. After that, we will tie all the hairs together and fix it in the same manner till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now take small sections of the hairs and fix them on the alternative sides. Tie it and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail using a rubber band like this. Now take rest of the hairs, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fold it upward like this around the rubber band. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Repeat the process and keep it for few more times like this and fix the hairs. Join it and it's ready. Next, put the hair clutch on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back like this and then roll them together to fix it. Fold it upward and fix it inside the hair clutch as shown in the video. Now take the small section of the hairs and fix it inside the clips like this in the small sections as shown in the video. Roll them and fix it like this on the alternative sections of the hairs. Now after that, fix it. Thanks for watching our video.